Ladies and gentlemen, let's finish up section 6.4. We're going to look at two problems. They're called literal equations, meaning they have more than one letter. You're going to come across formulas in different courses after you leave Math 1033. This is just a way to help you have a strategy for solving those formulas for a particular letter. In those courses, it may be a statistics course, an economics course, a variety of science courses where you're asked to use some algebra skills. So let's look at this equation. C equals AB divided by T, and we're solving for A. The first thing I teach my students is to find the LCD, which in this case would be T, and multiply through by it. So I multiply both sides of the equation by T to clear fractions. We get TC is equal to, over here the T's cancel, leaving me with AB. I'm solving for A. A is being multiplied by B. To undo that multiplication, I'm going to divide. And of course what I do to one side I do to the other. It's an equation. We keep it in balance. My answer, A equals TC divided by B. And the last example in section 6.4. Solve this equation for x. Alright, again, I want to get rid of, I don't want to deal with fractions in an equation, so there's really two ways here. I could write this as t over 1 and cross multiply, or I could multiply through by the LCD. And the other day in my class, most students told me to do that. They like that approach better. So they told me to multiply both sides of the equation by 7 minus x. Okay? On this side, I'm left with a 1. Over here I distribute 7 times t minus x times t. We're solving for x. If I subtract 7t from both sides, I have the opposite of xt equals 1 minus 7t. Now remember, these don't combine, they're not like. Okay? What I would probably do next, myself personally, is multiply through by negative 1, because I don't like this negative before I divide. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. That's going to reverse the signs of everything, of each term. And then I'm going to finish, to get x alone, by dividing by t. The t's here cancel. The t's here don't cancel because this t is not a factor of the top, it's only a factor of that one term. So my answer, x equals, it's okay to leave this minus 1 in front and then the plus 7t. A lot of your future instructors would prefer for you to write 7t minus 1 over t, and that is our final answer. So this concludes section 6.4 of Math 1033.